guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix internet time synchronize not working in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your internet time sync not working, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to right click on your date and time, then click on adjust date and time. In this you have to make sure that you have enabled this option set time automatically. If it is disabled, just enable this option. After that, you can see a time zone. Just select proper and correct time zone according to your country. After that, you can see here set time zone automatically. If you want to set your time manually, then you need to disable this option and click on change. You can enter your date and time manually. After that, after doing these settings, once you have to tap on this sync now. You have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. If you are connected to the internet, the set time automatically will be updated. After doing this, just close this window, click on start menu again, then type here services. Click on services. In this you can see here auto time zone updater. Double click on that. Startup type it is disabled. You just need to select as automatic. Click on apply. Click on start and click OK, and scroll down a little bit. You can see here Windows time. Double click on that. It is selected as manual. Just select it as automatic. Click on apply, then click OK. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix internet time sync not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.